Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish keema. First, select a firm white fish like cod or basa, ensuring it's fresh. Next, gently steam the fish for about 5 minutes until it's just cooked, then flake it into small pieces. Alternatively, you can finely mince raw fish. Finally, chop your onions, ginger, and garlic, preparing them for the base of our delicious keema. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and add the chopped onions, cooking them until they are soft and translucent. Then, stir in your ginger-garlic paste, letting it cook for about 30 seconds until it becomes wonderfully aromatic. Finally, add your dry spices, such as turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala, to the pan, toasting them briefly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And speaking of staying cool in the kitchen, a quick recommendation. Stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cold while you're cooking up a storm. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, it's time to incorporate our star ingredient. Carefully add the flaked or minced fish to the aromatic spice mixture in the pan. Gently fold everything together, making sure the fish is thoroughly coated with all those wonderful flavors. Then, add about 1/4 cup of water or a little tomato puree, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. To finish our fish keema, stir in a generous handful of fresh, chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This adds a lovely brightness and freshness to the dish. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding more salt or a pinch of extra spice if you like. Serve your hot, flavorful fish keema with warm naan bread, fluffy rice, or even as a tasty wrap filling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.